How to cancel a booking on hotels.com. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for hotels.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Further, navigate to your bookings section to view your reservations. Now, locate the booking you wish to cancel and tap on it to view the details. Further, tap on the Cancel Booking button and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. Make sure to review the property's cancellation policy before proceeding. Some hotels may require cancellation more than 24 hours before check-in to avoid fees. Also, if eligible for a refund, the timeline may vary depending on the property's policies and your payment method. And if you encounter any issues or have questions, you can contact hotels.com customer service to their help center. So, this is how you can cancel a booking on hotels.com. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.